There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? I hope you all are having like a really great day. By the time you're watching this video, it's your girl A, and we are definitely about to slay. What's up, everybody? So listen, I'm ready to put this wig on. I'm excited. I have been waiting on this unit. I have never been so excited to get a wig. And now I know I'm lying because every time I do get a wig from RPGSHOW or their sister company, My First Wigs, girl, listen, I am excited. They have like the best of the best of the best of the best of the best.
Best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Say less.
Say less lace front wig ever. I love a good wig. I love a good curly unit, and I love a good color. This beauty, look, y'all, you cannot tell me that she is not cute. I've been into the ash blonde lace front wigs, and they are absolutely gorgeous. This one right here is a 13x6, and I do believe, to me, it looks like it's one of their new hairlines. I'll link everything in the description box below, but this was a unit, which means it was already pre-bleached for you. You can order your units from RPGSHOW like that, so that way you don't have to do the work. It's a great thinned out hairline. It does have the Swiss tinted lace, what will melt into your skin. If you have never purchased a wig from RPGSHOW or their sister company, My First Wigs, then I don't know what you're waiting for. What are you waiting for? Like, go ahead, get the wig. You could thank me later because I know you're going to slay in it. All day you're going to slay. Okay. But because I have like one of those long heads, and because I was just so excited about this wig, I said, you know what? I'm going to just repart her, and I'm going to put her on a side part, a curved side part. You know, April, the one that looks great on you, your favorite type of part. I'm going to put this favorite type of part in this favorite type of color lace front wig. We're going to switch it up. So I did co-wash her. She is pre-bleached if you do order like that. She's Swiss tinted lace, which means she's about to disappear in your skin. She comes with a drawstring. She comes with a comb. She comes with an adjustable elastic band. Baby, she comes with it all, okay? When you put this wig on, you're going to look extra cute. Like, I'm serious. Like, you already look cute right now. But girl, when you put this wig on, it's just going to be like a chef's kiss, like a long chef kiss, like I'm telling you. So without further ado, we are going to get into this wig video. I'm going to show you what your unit comes like from RPGSHOW, and we just going to stay flossing, look cute, and go about our business. Okay.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. You want it? Can you feel me? No, can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me and I what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We can take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do don't need to prove you know. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Yeah. Under the night sky, I want your eyes so on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see it. Oh, honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. Honey, honey, I got what you want. Honey, honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel it, I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me.
Right, y'all. What I tell y'all, I said RPG Show be having some of the best of the best of the best. Say let's wigs. This came out cute. I love this color. I've been wanting this color for a minute, and the human hair wig color is really, really pretty. This is a really nice color. I really do think like RPG Show and My First Wigs will really do like a good blonde unit. And then the darker roots, which is really, really nice also. And I like the fact that I don't even really need any baby hairs if I choose not to, because girl, do you see the hairline? Like, do you see what? And y'all already know this is 20 inches, which is looking like 22. Okay, boo. Ooh, ooh. But I think the unit looks cute. I decided just to pull her back because it is a lot of hair and it's hot outside. It's like 100 and like 112 degrees today. But I think it looks so cute like this. I love any type of blonde wig. But if you put some blonde highlights in the wig for me, girl, what's up, guys? So I'm back for a part 2 of this RPG Show wig. Felt like it would probably look amazing as it was just sleek and straight. I'm gonna put a little bump and curl to it and see what it looks like if it has a different type of hair texture to it. When you buy a wig, you definitely want to be able to do multiple things with it. You definitely want to be able to wear it curly and straight and just give it that pizzazz or that special touch that you prefer. I did spend a few hours yesterday restyling this unit. I'm not going to show you how I install a unit because I've already done that, but I'm going to come back with the finished look, okay? Girl, when I tell you they do the best coloring ever, girl, this unit came out cute. And then once I wash her, she'll go back to her loose waves and I can wear her that way. But I just really wanted to see how versatile she was and what other styles I can do with her. She smells good from the conditioner I use. I love the coloring and how they just switched it up. Girl, this is definitely a vibe. Okay. Did I slay on both styles or what? I'm just saying, she's absolutely gorgeous. I like this color a lot on me. And just with a little bit of taste of red. Yes, girl, for sure. She's definitely cute. The cap is fitting. I'm fitting. All right, y'all. So this is the third part of this video. I don't know why I decided to do 3 different parts, but I was like, girl, I really want to see what this wig can do. Like, I love the color, and it's always nice to have a versatile wig. So because I went and curled it with the wand curler, then I flat ironed it and then bumped it with my other tools, I said, let me see if these waves will go back to the way it came. I washed it, and this is what it's looking like. This is the actual state that it came to me in. These are not like really deep curls. They're more or less loose waves. So it does go back. It does revert back to its natural state. Make sure that you deep condition any processed colored unit that you get, so that way it doesn't dry out and the curls or waves will be popping again. So we're gonna just put her on and we're gonna leave her in the state that she's in, and I'm gonna let y'all see what she looks like when she comes to you in its natural state. Right, ladies, I'm done. This is the very last video for this unit. I went ahead, applied her, and ended up burning myself with the hot comb. So the little redness right here is a new battle wound to the heating tools. I got me a new battle wound right here, right next to another one. Anyway, the unit comes out really cute. You can do different styles with her. She's very versatile. I love when you get a good wig. This hair reminds me a lot of like unbraided hair. Like when I unbraid my hair, this is what it looks like once I've unbraided it. It reminds me of like braiding crimps. But the hair color is gorgeous. I will link everything down below for RPG Show. You already know the best of the best of the best. Say less. And if you ain't never had an RPG show with, I don't know what you waiting for. If you guys enjoyed this video, stay deep and delicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey,